Time to talk about vectors. The super science fiction, no, not science fiction at all. Vectors are elements, things, pieces, objects that are like numbers, but they differ in one regard. Vectors have both magnitude, and direction. Think of stars in the sky. Some have orders of magnitude much greater than others. Those that are closer to us, or those that are bigger, and so the size of the star can be very big or very small, but it doesn't have direction. It's just in the sky. But a vector can have a small magnitude and direction, or it can have a larger magnitude. And the way we determine magnitudes and direction, first of all, is we use our coordinate axes. So here's, no, I'm not going to draw a unit circle this time. Here's a vector. And it's starting at the point, I'm going to say it's starting at the point 3, 2. And this vector is, I'm going to say it looks like it's about 9 long and 3 high. So to get to the head, this is the tail of the vector, it's starting at the point 3, 2. To get to the head of the vector right here, we are going to describe this vector as, and I'm going to use kind of an angular bracket, 9, 3. This means we go across 9 and up 3. If I want to know what this point is that I'm starting from, well, 3 plus 9 would be 12, and 2 plus 3 would be 5. So this point up here is going to be 12, 5 on the coordinate axes. We're starting with two-dimensional vectors, keeping it simple. We'll get to 3 dimensions in a little bit. There's another thing that you can be aware of right now, and that is that we will use unit vectors, I and j. I is equal to 1, 0, and j is equal to 0, 1. And so we will talk about this vector here is also equal to, if you think about it, it's equal to 9i, and I'm going to draw a little kind of an arrow above the I to indicate that it's a vector. We call these unit vectors, plus 3j. This is the same as this. I just happen to use a little bit more ink on this one. But it's based on the fact that this unit vector here is going out 1 in the x direction, and this j vector is going up 1 in the y direction. More on vectors in the next video.